Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a banana bread smoothie. This recipe is courtesy of Blue Diamond Almonds, the brand I usually get my almond milk from. Not sponsored by the way. I just had to try this unique smoothie recipe out once I saw it, and I'll give you my review at the end, so stay tuned. And here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup almond milk, half cup old-fashioned oats that are uncooked, half cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 frozen sliced bananas. I'm using fully ripe ones which become sweeter. They look like this before I froze it. Vanilla extract, maple syrup, which is optional to make it sweeter, salt, ground nutmeg, and cinnamon. Now we've got the ingredients, let's blend this all together. We're going to pour 1 cup of almond milk into the blender, the 2 frozen bananas, half cup of old-fashioned oats, half cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're ready to blend. Blend until smooth. And there you have it, the banana bread smoothie. So here's my review upon tasting this. I have to say, it actually does taste like banana bread. The oats make the smoothie thicker, which gives it that textured taste like bread. The syrup gives it a little sweetness, though not too sweet. It has a nice banana taste to it. Using the fully ripe sweetened banana I think helped. This was good, I loved it. I would rate this smoothie a 8.5 out of a 10. I think I would make this again if I made a slight change that I think would make it even better. I would add 1 more banana. So instead of 2 bananas, I would add 3 fully ripe bananas for a little more stronger banana flavor. And maybe add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to make it sweeter tasting. And just an update, I redid this recipe and added that extra banana and brown sugar, and I liked it so much better. If you're a fan of banana bread, try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.